Good day, I'm Janoe Pidayanko and I'm here to tackle about my hobby. So my hobby is all about playing games, especially Roblox's Grow a Garden and Grow a Garden 2. Their main goal is to plant seeds, harvest them, and sell them for profits and money, of course. And Grow a Garden, you must have to be patient because some rare seeds are really rare or hard to get, especially from appearing from the seed shop. In Grow a Garden 2, there are a lot of thieves, so you must protect your garden plots from the thieves. The original Grow a Garden map has a rectangular map with 4 garden plots and 6 main shops, which is the seed shop, gear shop, cell shop, pet shop, cosmetic shop, and the ascension shop. While Grow a Garden 2 has a circular map with 8 garden plots and 6 main shops: seed shop, gear shop, auction shop, explorer shop, prop shop, and guild shop. Player plays this game because it is so satisfying to see your garden evolves, getting rare plants, and how you protect your garden from the thieves. I started playing Grow a Garden during at the Loner Update on May 28, 2025. I started playing the game even though I didn't really know about its mechanic or guide even. The most memorable at that time is that I accidentally harvested my biggest pumpkin in my garden plot. Although it doesn't have any limitation for multipliers for the money, I've also lost my main account. Although it's sad, but I improved to my next account. I learned its seeds, mechanics, all of the game has given. I've learned everything and understand the game more and more.